when we get induction, as soon as we talk about induction, we get two types of inductions, or self-induction and mutual induction. So self-induction is the phenomena within a coil. Etar coiler ভিতৰত নিজৰ ভিতৰতে যেটো induction হ'ব হেতু হল self. ইয়াত আহিব coefficient of self induction. এটু কয় স্বয়মাবেগ গুণাঙ্ক, coefficient of self induction. So যেতিয়া এটাতকৈ বেছি coil আহিব তেতিয়া হ'ব mutual. So number 1 coil, number 2 coil, then it will be mutual induction, right? So coefficient of mutual induction is m. Both coefficients have unit. So we will be discussing about self induction that is developed in a coil, within the coil, and mutual induction between two coils. So first of all, we will discuss about self induction. What is self induction? So as you know, induction comes from Faraday's law, right? So Faraday's law, the magnetic flux, whenever magnetic flux changes through a coil, then it gives rise to induced EMF as well as induced current. So Faraday's law gives us a relation, that is a change of Faraday's law B, that is EMF, is, if you say the EMF epsilon, it is change of magnetic flux with respect to time. So the negative sign comes from Lenz's law. So what is Lenz's law? So you must know about Lenz's law, because Lenz's law is the law that gives the conservation of energy, right? So according to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, we get the value of EMF, that is induced EMF produced in a coil when magnetic flux changes with respect to time, right? So this leads to self-induction. When it happens within a coil, when magnetic flux change within a coil, then it will develop EMF within the coil. যেতিয়া এটা coil থাকে তেতিয়াও induction হবো, induction হলে ইয়াৰ ভিতৰতে develop হলে হেতু self induction বুলি কোৱা হয়। তেনেকুৱা ঘটনাবিলাকক self induction বুলি কোৱা হয়। আৰু তেতিয়া আমি যেটো coefficient পাম, সেই coefficient টো হ'ব L এ বুঝোৱা হয় that coefficient. So starting from Faraday's law, we'll get coefficient of self induction, and we'll get the units and how to define unit. Its unit Henry. Remember, unit whole Henry. So it is represented by capital H. So we'll define 1 Henry. What is 1 Henry? We'll go later on, right? So first of all, let us discuss about self-induction. So as I explained that self-induction is a phenomenon when current flows through a coil. Suppose this is the circuit diagram of a single coil, and this is the key. K is the key. Whenever current passes through the coil, as soon as current passes through the coil, I current is passing through it, right? So this is positive and negative, because this is a coil. So when, as soon as we switch on, the current will pass through, the magnetic lines of force will increase from 0 to infinity. It is increasing. Flux increases, right? So from Faraday's experiment, we have observed that when magnetic flux increases from 0 to infinity, what happens? Immediately, EMF is induced in the coil. So EMF induced within a coil for a single coil is termed as, the phenomenon is termed as self-induction. So what is the nature of this that induced EMF? If the induced EMF is epsilon, okay, according to that relation, then the direction of induced EMF will be opposite to the direction of flow of current of the original EMF. This is a battery. It sends current. So this induced EMF will also send a current, right? That current opposes this current. A induced EMF যে produce hobo, he induced EMF to a current to oppose koribo. The nature of the induced EMF is that, this is important, immediately it will develop and it will oppose the growth of current. So, but if current flows continuously, the EMF will stop. আমি জানো যে continuously যদি flow হৈ থাকে তেতিয়া হলে ইয়াত induced EMF টো নাথাকিব। আকৌ যদি আমি stop কৰি দিও, stop কৰো, switch to দি প্লাস যদি আমি current টো stop কৰো, নাইকিয়া কৰি দিও, নাইকিয়া কৰি দিয়া meaning টো হ'ব decreasing। What decreasing? So lines of force already developed that will decrease from infinity to 0. So this is also important. কথাটো হল switch on কৰিলে develop হ'ব, off কৰিলে develop হ'ব, right? So what is the utilization? ইয়াৰ utilize কেনেকৈ কৰা হয়? Flash light বিলাক তোমালোকে দেখিছা, flash light. So when one bulb is connected externally, so as soon as you switch on, the induced EMF will send a high current immediately for a second. Then this bulb will glow with high intensity, right? Flashlight. So induced EMF or বাবে যেটো induced current produce হ'ব immediately, which will oppose this current. সেই induced current টোৱে এই bulb টো পটককে জ্বলাই দিব। So কিছুমান flashlight তোমালোকে ক্যামেৰাত দেখিছা, as you have seen flashlight. So behavior of flashlight is from this phenomenon, right? Another important nature, that the magnetic flux is directly proportional to the current. যেটো magnetic flux hobo, সেই magnetic flux to car proportional, current to proportional. তুমি current যিমান বেছি দিবা flux to বেছি hobo হিমান, যিমান কমাই দিবা flux to কমাই যাব। So the magnetic flux is directly proportional to the current passing through the coil. So this is another important relation. From this, what we will get? We will get that from this Faraday's second law. If we put this relation, the phi is replaced by I, then equal sign will be replaced by proportionality sign. How? The EMF will be directly proportional to the rate of change of current. So we are replacing phi by I. That is, magnetic flux is replaced by magnetic current because the flux, the flux is directly proportional to the current. When current changes, flux also changes. That is why we can use this Faraday's second rule, second law. The flux is replaced by I, immediately we have to replace equal sign by proportionality sign, right? So if we use one constant, because proportionality sign is there, so one constant if we use, then what will happen? That constant is L. So di dt, L is L, the proportionality constant is called coefficient of self induction. Very important relation, mind it. So L is called coefficient of mutual induction. স্বয়ংভাৱে গুণাঙ্ক বুলি কোৱা হয়, তো ইয়াৰ ভ্যালুটো আমি উলিয়াব পাৰিম। Okay, so we can find out what is coefficient of self induction from this relation, right? Let us see. So we have this particular relation from Faraday's second law. Then here, if di by dt is equal to 1 ampere per second, that is, if 1 ampere current flows through the coil per second, x second of jodi 1 ampere current flow kore, di by dt is equal 1 hoy, then the magnitude of EMF, magnitude dile negative sign to nalage, no need to write a negative sign, will be equal to L, because di by dt is equal 1. So what is coefficient of self induction? The EMF induced in the coil when 1 ampere current flows through per second, 1 ampere current flows per second in the coil, then the EMF developed in the coil is called self-induction. So what is the definition? One short definition is that when 1 ampere per second current flows through the coil, if then the induced EMF developed in the coil is called self-induction, coefficient of self-induction. Thus, the coefficient of self-induction is the magnitude of EMF in the coil if 1 ampere per second current flows through it, right? So as soon as 1 ampere per second current flows through it, then the EMF developed within the coil is called self-induction, coefficient of self-induction, L. Okay. Unit of L is Henry. Okay. Unit of L is Henry. So how we can find out each unit? 1 Henry. What is 1 Henry? What is 1 Henry? If we are asked, what is 1 Henry? So to define 1 Henry, we must have to take the relation obtained from this. Okay. Suppose you are going to define 1 Henry from this relation. Then if you write the L in the left hand side, okay, what you will get? Epsilon epsilon minus sign will be there, 1 by di by dt. Okay. So if this is 1 volt, and this is 1 ampere per second. It is 1 ampere per second, 1 ampere per second. Okay. That is, it means that if 1 ampere per second current flows through the coil and it develops 1 volt, then the coefficient of self-induction is called 1 Henry. Very simple. If this value is equal to 1 and this value is equal to 1, that is 1 volt, যদিহে 1 এম্পিয়াৰ প্ৰবাহ 1 সেকেন্ডত ইয়াৰ মাজেদি পাৰ হৈ যায় আৰু ই যদি 1 ভোল্ট ইনডিউস ইএমএফ প্ৰডিউস কৰে, তেতিয়া হলে এই কইলটোৰ সেলফ ইন্ডাকশন হ'ব 1 হেনৰি. Then in that case you will get the value of magnitude of L is equal to 1 Henry. When di by dt, that is the rate of current passing through this value 1, L is equal to 1, not epsilon is equal to 1, then L will also be 1. L 1 ho jabo. L, the coefficient of self induction L will have the value 1 Henry, right? And self induction depends upon another important thing, depends upon 3 things. Number 1, tinita bostur upor yar self induction depend kore. Number 1, number of turns, eta ek number to whole number of turns in the coil. Coil to kiman turns ase tar upor self induction depend korbo, beshi hobo kom hobo. Secondly, number 2, area of cross section of the coil. Area of cross section of the coil. A coil to kiman ডাঙৰ হ'ব সৰু হ'ব হেতৰ ওপৰত area of cross section to depend কৰিব. ইয়া এই coil to এনে নাথাকে, ইয়াৰ ওপৰত কিছুমান soft iron core ওপৰত তাক মেৰিয়াই থোৱা হয়, insulated ভিতৰত soft iron core থাকে, তাত মেৰিয়াই থোৱা হয়. So গতিকে last যেটো item, the third one, the permeability mu of the soft iron core. যেটো soft iron core use করা হবো তার permeability উপর depend করব. So these are the 3 things that on which the self induction depends upon. Number 1, number of turns, কিমান turns থাকিব, কিমান পাক থাকিব. Area of cross section, prosthoset মানে area, ইয়ার area to কিমান হবো, এটা যদি বহল হয় ডাঙৰ হয় coil to, এটা হলে self induction ও বেশি হবো. Permeability mu of the soft iron core, a core to key core use korisu ami, what type of core we are utilizing, it also depends upon that particular value of mu also, right? So these are the factors on which self induction depends upon. So I think this is the very short and clear explanation of self induction. You will be able to understand what is self induction and how it can be defined, what is the unit of coefficient of self induction, and how it comes, how it depends, how current is directly proportional to the magnetic flux, and then we write the equal sign by proportionality sign. When we write proportionality sign, we are in need of one constant. That constant L is called coefficient of self induction, right? So many problems you will find utilizing the value of L. Okay, so let us now discuss one problem. Okay, so our problem is concerned with self-induction. What EMF will be developed? That is induced EMF. What induced EMF will be developed in a coil having self-inductance 5 Henry when current in the coil changes from 10 ampere to 7 ampere in 9 into 10 to the power minus 2 seconds. Very short time interval current changes from 10 ampere to 7 ampere. That is, initial current is 10 ampere, final current is 7 ampere. So decreasing. When current decreases, EMF also induced. When current increases, EMF also induced. So in this problem, you see self-inductance. One thing is that self-inductance is nothing but coefficient of self-induction. Coefficient of self-induction is called self-inductance, right? Similarly, coefficient of mutual induction is called mutual inductance. So L is equal given what? L is equal 5 Henry, right? So change in current, that is change in current DI is 10 ampere to 7 ampere. That is final is 7. Initial is 10. Final minus initial. So minus 3 ampere. Minus 3 ampere. Change in time, that is dt. dt is 9 into 10 to the power minus 2 seconds. Okay. So since you have the relation induced EMF is equal to minus L di by dt. Your relation is this. Now put the value of L as 5 and the value of di is equal to minus 3 and value of dt is equal to 9 into 10 to the power minus 2. The answer will be involved. Okay, minus minus will be plus. So 3 will be cancelled. 5 by 3 into 10 to the power 2. Okay, so it is 500 by 3 is equal to 166.67 volt, approximately 166.67 volt, right? So this is the answer. In this way, you will find some problems concerned with self-induction, right? So many problems are there.